Dito sa panahon kasi natin ngayon, naiimpluwensyahan tayo ng music, movie, etc. etc. Hindi natin alam, dun sila lumalakas.
Old Testament, it said David played harp for a king. And as he played harp, the music was so powerful that it made a demon leave the king. So the principle for music is, if music can make a demon leave, music can make a demon come. So you have to be very careful what you listen to, because much of the music that the masses listen to today, they have demonic attachments. So we have to talk about sin, adultery, fornication, smoking weed, doing drugs. All of those things have attachments just like alcohol. So we encourage you in these days, be extremely selective for what you listen to, so that you can keep your faith.
Sa spiritual war na nangyayari, diba sinabi ko, binanggit ko, gumagamit yung kalaban ng mga instrumento. Pero kapag aware ka, hindi ka tulog, may iwasan mo yung mga yun. May iwas mo yung sarili mo dun. Sa una, syempre, sobrang hirap kasi sanay ka sa gawa ng laman. Example, sexual immoral, sanay ka sa lust. Pero pag nanalangin ka ng totoo, nanghingi ka ng tulong sa kanya na tanggalin yun, please crucify my flesh. Pakumbaba ka, nanghingi ka talaga ng tawad. Nanalangin ka, humingi ka ng tulong sa kanya. Natulungan ka niya. Tignan mo sa Galatians 5 verse 16. Those who belong to Christ, Jesus have crucified the flesh with its passions and desires.